Hello guys, welcome in our channel. I am Nikita Chauhan. Friends, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study of some formulas related to computer. So friends, start now. First is, what is the full form of computer? What is the full form of computer? So commonly operated machine, particularly used in technical and educational research. Full form of computer is commonly operated machine, particularly used in technical and educational research. Then CPU, Central Processing Unit, CU, Control Unit, LU, Arithmetic Logical Unit, MU, Memory Unit, IC, Integrated Circuit, OS, Operating System, then 5G, fifth generation. Friends, जस्ट लाइक 5G 4G 3G ऐसा भी आता है आपका. सो उसमें 3G में थर्ड जनरेशन, 4G में फोर्थ जनरेशन. देन व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ फोर्टेन? FORTAN. So its full form is formula translation. Full form full form of Fortran is formula translation. Then what is the full form of COBOL? Common Business Oriented Language. Common Business Oriented Language. Then BASIC, Business All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Business All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Then RAM, Random Access Memory. SRAM, Static Random Access Memory. And then DRAM, Dynamic Random Access Memory. सो फ्रेंड्स, इसमें है आपका है रैम. तो इसमें जो आपका एस रैम एंड डी रैम है, दिस इज टाइप ऑफ रैम. एस रैम एंड डी रैम इज द टाइप ऑफ रैम. एंड देन रोम. रोम आर ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स: पी रोम, ई पी रोम, देन डबल ई पी आर ओ एम. सो फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ रोम? रीड ऑनली मेमोरी. देन पी रोम, प्रोग्रामेबल रीड ऑनली मेमोरी. ई पी रोम, erasable programmable read only memory. Then double EPROM, electrical erasable programmable read only memory. Then LAN, local area network. WAN, wide area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. Then DOS, disk operating system. And then IBM, international business machine. IBM, international business machine. Then VLSI, very large scale industry. Very large scale industry. And then ULSI, ultra large scale industry. Then TCS, Tata Consultancy Service. Then ETS, Recognized Technology Solution. And then what is the full form of internet? International network. And then ENISE, electronic numerical integrated and calculator. Electronic numerical integrated and calculator. Then EDVAC, electronic discrete variable automatic computer. Electronic discrete variable automatic computer. Then EDSSC, electronic display storage automatic computer. Then POST. What is the full form of POST? Power of self test. Then BIOS, BIOS, basic input output system. Basic input output system. Then MAR, memory address register. Then MDR, memory data register. SCR, sequence control register. Then SDD, HDD, hard disk drive. Hard disk drive. Then CD-ROM, compact disk read only memory. Compact disk read only memory. And then CGA, CGA, color graphic adapter. Color graphic adapter. Then EGA, enhanced graphics adapter. Enhanced graphics adapter. Then VGA, video graphics adapter. And then SVGA, super video graphic adapter. SVGA, super video graphic adapter. And VGA is video graphic adapter. Then LSI, large scale industry. PHP, personal home page. UPS, uninterrupted power supply. LED, light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. Then LCD, liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. Then CTR, cathode ray tube. And ASCII, ASCII, America Standard Code for Information Interchange. America Standard Code for Information Interchange. Then MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. GUI, graphical user interface. UIPS, ultra interrupted power supply. Then SIMC, subscribe identity module. Subscribe identity module. Then GIF, graphical interface format, CCTV. What is the full form of CCTV? Closed circuit television. Closed circuit television. Then what is the full form of IMEI? इंटरनेशनल मोबाइल इक्विपमेंट आइडेंटिटी. फ्रेंड्स, ये जो होता है ये हमारे मोबाइल का एक नंबर होता है. IMEI इंटरनेशनल मोबाइल इक्विपमेंट आइडेंटिटी होती है. दैन लेज़र, जो कि हमारी जो लेज़र लाइट होती है उसका फुल फॉर्म होता है लाइट एम्पलीफिकेशन बाय स्टिमुलेशन इमिशन ऑफ रेडिएशन. लाइट एम्पलीफिकेशन बाय स्टिमुलेशन इमिशन ऑफ रेडिएशन. देन CAD, कंप्यूटर aided design. Computer aided design. Then VGA, video graphic adapter. Then virus. What is the full form of virus? Vital input resources under siege. Vital input resources under siege. फ्रेंड्स, वायरस एक कंप्यूटर में भी होता है. देन HTML, हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. hypertext markup language. Thank you friends, I hope you like this video, so please like, share, comment and also subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.